wasn't he? Very selfish. See? I can drop into character anytime. At the rat race.
Then I think it's time to bring on someone to join you on stage.
There's two people coming to join me now.
Just one of the...
There's two people coming to join me. Two.
Miss Chloe Anet.
And before you read it on the internet, buddy, in the internet free day.
Yes, perfect, yeah.
Is this on?
So, did you just come back from New York?
Yeah, no, it's like, I'm jet lagged. I am.
Is this for Blaze or?
No, I actually just went to see, I went to see a show. I went to see
You went to
Goldberg.
New York?
I went to see a show, yeah, it was crazy. But then I thought, as Blade opened that day, I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone.
Did Denise Van Outen do?
No, she can't, no, I went to see Golden Boy, it's a show that I've always wanted to do. Golden Boy. I've seen none of it.
Oh, that's Clifford Odets.
Clifford Odets, you see, not just a pretty face.
Yeah, how are you? You're right. I haven't had time to say hello to you.
See, I get this in Hollywood, baby. Usually it'd be like, where's my dressing room? I went to be 500
Have you
people.
talked about Blaze and stuff? Because I haven't heard any stories about...
Well, there wasn't much actually, because, you know, Wes is just professional. He just walks in, and when he walks in, he's Blade, and when he walks out, he's still Blade. And then you see him at night, and then come, and it's like, God, it's like so different.
Yeah, what was it about? I mean, I saw the first one, and then there's another one.
Yeah.
Is it the third one?
No, it's the second one.
Oh, the second one.
It's, what it is there's a new strain of vampire. Luke Goss does a good job. He's the baddie.
Oh, you're kidding?
No, he's the baddie. From Bros. Yeah. He was good. He did a good job. Fighting and everything. He has a big fight with Wes. Yeah, he's done well.
So they're straight the bottom of the barrel.
He's done 2 films with Wes. He's done another film with Wes that ain't out yet. Yeah. He's like Mr. Hollywood now. And his brother. His brother does all like, you know, film scores and, you know, music. And music actor.
Was it fun? Actually, you know, you could actually be on this book.
Yeah, no, it was good, great fun, yeah. I was just telling them about Donnie Yen, another Hong Kong star. He was in it as well, and choreographed it. So I got to work with 2 sort of action and adventure heroes. Yeah, Robert Llewellyn, you ain't done that yet, go have you? Yeah, he says,
so what do you play?
it's alright, he goes, alright Dan, I've just got 10 book deals, mate. That smug, get over there. I've just been telling them, didn't even come and say hello, walked past, straight up to the penthouse. You know, oh, that's the C list on, is it? Yeah, look, you know.
Danny, how much would you suit?
He walked in, he said, Dan, I saw Danny's wearing a suit. I bet it cost 11 quid.
Well, I thought, they were tired of seeing creases in Roberts, so I thought, I'll show you what a suit looks like without creases. You know, it's alright, Dan, it's hanging in a £9,000 wardrobe. Like.
Dan, do you play a vampire or?
Yeah, I'm a vampire. I've got fangs in my mouth again. It is, it's crazy. I couldn't believe it, you know. I was like, oh God, fangs. But this time I had contact lenses as well, so it's something else. More makeup.
Has anybody seen it? Is it out yet?
29th, don't go and see it. I'm not on any royalties.
Don't say
No, honestly, you go, we're second-class citizens over here, man, I'm telling you. It's true. Isn't it? It's in SAG, it's automatic. Everything's automatic.
God's leaving.
Is he? Yeah, because he's probably a member of SAG. It's true. They're negotiating that now for us. We're going to get £5 extra each now for a movie.
Anyway, are there any questions?
Yes, how many months?
Actually, I was nearly done, actually. 7.
You're joking.
I know,
It's tiny.
I know. It feels like it.
It's going to come out like Alien, man, trust me. It's going to come out like Alien, looking like Craig. That's right, he's not here tonight. Can you imagine? Well, hey, what's happening? And then he'll come out. You all right?
Oh my god.
T-shirt actually. Yeah, because isn't it that Jordan? She's going to have it on the internet, isn't she? Can you imagine?
She's, yeah, that's having a baby.
Dwight York, you know, in miniature.
And Kate Moss is having a baby.
Yeah, it's pretty fashionable now.
They'll be on the internet.
Liz Hurley.
Liz Hurley, she's in
Yeah. Who's your one?
Judy Dench is having a baby.
Judy Dench! Her husband will be really surprised. It's me.
Who is?
She just adopted one.
She's adopted the baby.
Yeah, she doesn't want to be pregnant.
Yes. Isn't it funny?
Not quite was on an interview in Sense about adopting a baby.
She's
Angelina Jolie.
You heard about Angelina Jolie yesterday. Did you get the lowdown about it from Chris?
That's the lowdown thing that he did probably that made her. Don't worry, Chris is no angel, baby. Don't let that balding head fool you.
Any questions?
It's been said at the end of a series shoot that you all have a lot of bumps and bruises. What sort of physical suffering have you endured for our own?
So what?
At the end of a series shoot, it's been said that you all have a lot of bumps and bruises, and I wanted to know what sort of physical suffering you've endured for our own entertainment.
Oh God, it's hell. No.
Yeah, it's always, a lot of time it's mostly the costumes that are uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And, you know, I remember doing, you remember that backpack that I wore when the
yeah.
things flew underneath, jumped up in the air and those things flew underneath the legs? That backpack hurt me more than anything, man.
The costumes are really heavy. That's the canary outfit. It was
Yeah.
amazing.
The canary
costumes were phenomenal.
Those backpacks, we all went up like this. It was terrible. But we suffer for our art.
That's
You know, drama queens at it again, you know, all coming out sort of our hands like that.
Yeah, it's quite fun. Did we answer that at all? I don't know.
Yeah, I thought just a pretty good answer, Chloe. Get your hands up. There you go.
Do the five of you get together socially much?
I think if we're sort of scattered around the British Isles now, I think. Yeah, well now Chloe's married, she doesn't talk to us.
It's not true. It's, yeah, everybody sort of does their own thing, but the great thing is when we do get together, it's like we've...
Never been away.
That sounds really cheesy, but it's true. And we got together we were all together last year, weren't we?
Yeah.
For about a couple of weeks.